Hello everyone, I'm back again with another gorgeous necklace tutorial. This is my Crownlight necklace that I have recently beaded using 3 different sizes of pearls. If you notice that in the middle I have bigger pearls, and then going onwards on the both sides going upwards I have added smaller sizes of pearls, okay, along with 11O seed beads, 8O seed beads, and 4 mm fire polish crystal. All right, so let me put this aside. And for the material that you will require for this necklace, it's down in my description box below, so please check out the material there. I have taken roughly around like 40 centimeter of thread, and I have put my stop bead in the middle of the thread because we will weave from both sides for this necklace. So that's why it is important to don't go all the way to the end of the thread. Put your stop bead in the middle of the thread, okay, whatever length you have taken, and just put the stop bead in the middle of the thread. Now pick up 2 10 mm pearl, 7 11Os, 4 mm crystal, and 7 11O. Pass it till your stop bead, and now I'll pass it down all the way till my stop bead, and now I will go upward through both pearls like this. All right, and here I have picked up my next set of 7 11Os, 4 mm crystal, and 7 11O. I will pass them down. Again I will come back at the top from both of this pearl like this. Okay, so here I have picked up my next set of beads, 1 10 mm pearl and 7 of my 11O, 1 4 mm crystal, and 7 11O. Okay, and now I will pass my needle back up through 2 pearls over here, so like this. So this is what we normally do in the flat spiral stitch, that first we add 2 pearl, and then going forward we only add 1 pearl at a time, but we pass our needle from previous pearl and to the new pearl that we have added. So we always pass our needle through 2 pearls or 2 beads, whatever kind of a bead that you have taken. Okay, here I have picked up my next set of 11Os and 4 mm crystal. And one thing to keep in mind going forward, that be careful you don't accidentally flip your project, right? So always remember that we have to come at the top from both of this pearl like this, and pull your thread, and our 11O should sit on the previous row of 11O like this. Okay, so it should always sit on the top going forward. Okay, so here I'm reducing my pearl size. So if you notice, here I have picked up 10 mm pearl, and this is my 6 mm pearl, and hence I have reduced my number of 11Os that I have to take. So here I have taken 4 11O, 1 4 mm crystal, and 7 of my 11Os for here, right? And why I have taken the 7 11O over here, that is because we are inserting our needle through the previous pearl as well, right? And my previous pearl requires more number of 11 O's than the newer one that I'm adding. So that is why here I have taken 4 11O, 4 mm crystal and 7 11O. Okay, and make sure not to flip your project like this, otherwise it will be a mess and then you have to redo the things. So that is always to keep in mind when you are working with the flat spiral stitch. Okay, so I'll pass my needle back up through the both pearls and I will pull my thread, and you notice that it sits perfectly. Okay, I have picked up my next set of 11 O's and 4 mm crystal by taking 4 11O, 1 crystal and 7 11O. I will pass my needle back up through both the pearls over here. Pull your thread nice and make sure again don't flip your project. All right, keep stressing about flipping the project is because I accidentally flipped my project during making this pearl necklace, and then I have to redo the things. So hence I'm reminding you again and again that please don't flip your project. Okay. Right, now I have picked up my 6 mm pearl, 5 11Os, 4 mm crystal and 5 11O, and I will pass my needle up through both the pearls here. Okay, I will pull my thread, and again I have picked up my next set of 11Os, so 5 11O, 1 crystal and 5 11O, and I will pass my needle back up through both pearls over here like this. Okay, so like this, continue adding 6 mm pearl until you think that you have added enough of size 6, because we have to add size 4 mm pearl like shown over here as well. And then I'll see you for the next step where we will add our size 4 mm pearl. Okay. Okay, so now I will show you how to add size 4 mm pearl to our necklace. So here I have picked up my 4 mm pearl, 4 of my size 11 seed bead, 1 size 8 seed bead and 5 of my 11O seed bead. Okay, and I'll pass my needle back up through both the pearls. Again I have picked up 4 11O, 1 size 8 seed bead and 5 of my 11O seed bead, and I will pass my needle back up through the 6 mm pearl and the 4 mm pearl. Pick up 4 mm pearl, 4 of our 11O seed bead, 1 size 8 8O seed bead and 4 11O seed bead, and I will pass my needle through both pearls, and I have picked up my next set of 11Os, so 4 11O, 1 8O and 4 11O. Pass my needle back up through both pearls. Okay, so add the size 4 mm pearl until you reach the desired length of your necklace, and also to keep in mind that this is only the one side of your necklace. You have to bead the other side of your necklace from this point onwards. So this is your middle point. So on this side only add the size 4 mm pearl until you reach the desired length of your necklace from the one side, And once you reach at the desired length, come back at this point over here. So I'm taking off my stop bead here, and now we will start beading our necklace from the other side of the thread. And I have picked up one size 10 pearl, 7 of my 11O, 1 4mm crystal, and 7 11O. And I will pass my needle like this. I picked up my next set of 11O and crystal, 4mm crystal. I will pass them down all the way, and careful not to flip the project, and I'll pass my needle through both pearls, through both the pearls here. So from here onwards, repeat the step that we did over here. So like when we transition from size 10 to size 6 and size 6 to size 4, so continue with that. And I'll show you that once you reach at the desired length of your necklace, okay, how you can finish it off by adding the stand-up piece for your neck piece. So continue with that, and I'll see you for the next step. So once you reach at the end of your desired length of your necklace, we'll finish it off with this pattern. So for that, pass your needle back down through this 11 O's and the 8 O that we have added here, and add it back through this 11 O on the previous row like this, all the way like this. Come back at this pearl over here at the top, and from here pass your needle through this 11 O, and from this pearl pass your needle through this 11 O like this, and then carefully pass your needle through this previous row of 2 11 O's like this, and through this pearl here. Okay, so it will secure both the flap, and then pass your needle again through this one through this 1 11 O like this, and now pick up 5 11 O and pass your needle through this other side of 11 O like this. Pick up 1 11 O and pass through this other side of 11 O and back up through this middle 11 O. Now pick up 5 11 O and pass your needle through this 11 O here. Okay, next pick up 5 11 O and pass your needle through this middle 11 O on the top. Again pick up 5 11 O and pass your needle through this middle 11 O. Again pick up 511O and pass your needle through this middle 11O. Okay, so like this, continue adding this extender piece for your necklace on the both end until you reach the desired length of your necklace, and finish it off with your favorite clasp that you want to attach to your necklace. Here I have attached the simple clasp, as you can see. Okay, and you will have your crown like necklace ready.